Here are 5 pro tips and recommendations to make your mileage tracking a breeze. Once you are logged into your account, we recommend the following steps to ensure mileage capture success. Number 1. Check your mLog settings. Your settings will help you master mileage capture. The most important setting is your location services and battery optimization. To check these settings, select the menu icon in the top left corner on the Trips page. Next, from the Auto Start tab, select the System Permissions. On the System Permissions page, you should see check marks next to the Location Permissions, Location Services, Battery Saver, and Battery Optimization. For optimal mileage results, make sure the Locations permissions are set to Always Allow. If the location settings are set to anything besides Always Allow, you will have challenges with mileage capture and accuracy. For example, if the location settings are set to only while using the app, your mileage capture will only work when the phone or device is only tracking mileage. The moment you use your phone for anything else while mileage tracking, your mileage capture will stop, and that is problematic for mileage accuracy. If you see an exclamation point next to either the location permissions or background refresh, select the exclamation mark and follow the recommendations for correction. Once completed, arrow back to the Home or Trips page. Number 2. We recommend enabling the debug logs as a proactive step to help us pinpoint any challenges you experience while using mLog. To enable the debug logs, select the menu icon on the Trips page. Then select Adjust Odometer. Next, a window will appear with your current odometer reading. Select the space in between the minus and plus signs and enter these numbers. 999999. Again, that's 6 nines, and then select Save. An on-screen message will inform you that the debug logs are turned on. When the on-screen message disappears, arrow back to the Home or Trips page and continue using mLog as you normally would. Turning on the debug logs will not negatively impact your phone or mLog's performance. Later, if you experience the same or another issue, turn the debugs off and get the report to our team. The logs will help us identify hardware, software, app, or user issues. To disable the debug logs, select the menu icon on the Trips page. Then select Adjust Odometer. When the current odometer reading appears, select the space in between the minus and plus signs and enter these numbers: 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Again, that's going to be 6 zeros. Then select Save. Next, an on-screen message will inform you that the debug logs are turned off and will prompt you to send the files to our team for review and diagnosis. Select your email client, and an email will open addressed to driver services with the debug logs attached. Type in the approximate date, time, and trip you had an issue with, and then select Send. You will then be taken back to the Adjust Odometer page where you can continue using mLog. However, we recommend turning the debug logs back on just in case you experience another challenge or issue. Select the menu, then select Adjust Odometer and enter 999999. That's 6 nines to enable the debug logs again and select Save. Then arrow back to the Home or Trips page and continue using mLog as you normally would. One of our team members will contact you to provide more information or a fix to the challenge you experienced. Number 3. Changing a trip type. There will be times that you need to reclassify a trip. If you took a personal trip during business hours, or if you happen to take a business trip during personal hours. Reclassifying a trip is really easy to do. There are 5 different ways to reclassify a trip. The 2 easiest are from the Trips page. Select the trip you would like to change. Swipe right on the trip to change the trip from business to personal, or swipe right to change a trip from personal to business. The second way to change a trip type is to select the B for business, and a drop-down menu will display. Select the appropriate trip type for the trip, and that's it. Number 4 is naming a location. This is an easy and necessary part of mileage capture. It will also keep you organized over time. There are multiple ways to name a trip, but the easiest is to name a location from the Trips page. Select the address you want to name. The Edit Location page will open. Below the map and the address is a location name field. Enter the name of the location and select Save. Once an address is named, when you revisit the location, the name of the location will appear. Number 5 is Health and Performance. Here are a few tips to help if you notice mLog is not functioning properly. Periodically, check for mLog updates in the Google Play Store. An update typically fixes any performance issues. Next, keep mLog running in the background of your phone or device. Remember, if you force quit mLog, your battery dies, you turn off your phone, or you update your operating system, you must reopen mLog. This concludes the mLog Pro Tips.